Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Wix website mobile. Wix is designed to automatically create a mobile-friendly version of your site, saving you significant time. This means you get two distinct versions, one for desktop and one for mobile. You have complete control to customize the mobile experience without altering your desktop design, ensuring a perfect look on every device. Let's dive into how you can achieve this. To begin optimizing, first open your Wix editor. Look for the small mobile phone icon positioned at the top of your screen, usually near the center. Clicking this icon will seamlessly transition your workspace into the mobile editor. This specialized environment is where you'll make all your mobile-specific design choices, ensuring your site looks fantastic on smartphones and tablets alike. It's a straightforward process. Once in the mobile editor, you can start refining your content. Feel free to rearrange elements, adjust text sizes for readability, and even hide certain sections that might clutter a smaller screen. Make sure all interactive elements, like buttons and navigation menus, are large enough for easy tapping. For a quick start, try the Page Layout Optimizer tool. It can automatically suggest improvements, saving you valuable time and effort. Before making your changes live, it's crucial to preview your mobile site. Use the preview option to see how your site appears on different phone and tablet screens. Thoroughly test every button, link, and form to ensure everything works perfectly. Once you are completely satisfied with the mobile experience, hit the Publish button. Your beautifully optimized Wix website will then be accessible to everyone, everywhere, on any device.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.